Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to do the assignment W3A6. For this assignment, you need to create the model of the plumber block casting. The dimension of the model are in millimeter. So there are two diagrams in the video that you can see right now. There is the isometric view on the left, and on the right there is the front view, and there is also the top view. So let's get started. So I already opened Autodesk Inventor Professional 2023 and already opened a new file. So as usual, click Sketch. And in this example, I will select the XY plane to start my sketching. And you can see there is the origin at the center. I'm going to start to use line. Click over here and create a line. The distance is 0208. Then be some around here. So I think it's good if you can straight away to decide the angle. Just still create another one. The angle is 6. This one, the angle is, let's say, and then the 6. Let's enter. Okay, it makes another line over here. So this one we remove. Only going to use this line. Then create another line from this point, and make sure the dimension is 14 compared to the line at the bottom. 14. Now we remove the line that we don't want. This one and this one. So what I did just now is that I draw the base of the plumber block casting. So once I've done the base, I click finish sketch. Then I will extrude only the bottom part of this component. The length is 46. Press enter. So now we have drawn and we have extrude the bottom part of this plumber block casting. To draw this component, for me, I think it would be the best way to draw it step by step. Draw the bottom part and then later on we draw the tower. Focus on the top, click on this cube right here on the top, and then click on the top. So now you can see that the area on the top is selected. Right click, select look at, right click again, and select new sketch. So what's going to happen right now is that you are going to do a sketch on top of this surface, and then we are going to cut or extrude that sketch based on this face. Start with the line, find the midpoint, the green color indicate the midpoint, and draw the line from end to end. Select right click, select OK, select the line, and select this one as center line. So this one will be used as a base for our drawing. So do another center line, one vertical center line. Right click, select OK, select the line and categorize it as center line. Now, we refer back to the question. We want to draw this slot over here. The slot, we go to the shape, then slot center point. Let's try first. Length is 8. and the opening 12. Then want to place this one at the right position. So why it mentioned diameter over there? Try again, dimension this point, this point. 154. Enter. I don't think this is the right measurement. Let's undo. It. Try again. Plot. It. Radius is 6. The dimension from here to this point. 4. Then mirror. Select all of this. Select the mirror line. Select apply. Now you can see that there is another shape appear on the left, on the right of the component. Select done. Now we have sketched the slot on the left and on the right. Click finish sketch. Now we want to extrude this sketch. Select extrude and select the area that you want to be extruded. Okay. Once you selected, select the behavior to flip. Flip meaning that it will cut through the component and select. Okay, I think this one you can select 2 or through all. Select through all, and that it will cut until the end to the bottom. Select OK. Now we have done the slot on the left and also on the right. But if you look at the drawing, there is a fillet that we need to do. Fillet, I think the value is 2. Select over there, and also this part over here, and select this one. Select, right click, look at. I think this one is quite good. Now we will try to draw on this surface. Right click and select new sketch. Once you select new sketch, as usual, I would prefer if you can start your drawing for you to identify the line is not really straight, so I just undo. Let's try to do the center line so that it can help you with your drawing. Right click, center line, line again, bottom, right click, and also center line. Okay. Right click, center line, select this one, right click, center line. Now we look at the schematics. Now I want to draw this curve over here and also this curve, and from the looks of it, the radius is 54. Draw a circle, start from the center, and the radius 4. For the software, always measure in diameter in terms of circles. Then select line, Select from here to this point, and this point to this point over here. Select the function trim, remove this part and also part. Now select finish sketch, then select extrude, select direction default, and select component that you want to be sketched, to be extruded. From the looks of it, the distance is 8 minus 14. 8 minus 14 and select. You almost got the shape, the overall shape of the component. Now, need to remove this part. So we look from the front, right click on the surface, click look at, right click again and select new sketch. So this is where we want to sketch our drawing. Line as usual. Always start with the center line so that it will be easier for you to draw or use as reference of your drawing. Select rectangle. Start from here and the length is 6 divided by 2. Depth in. Right click, select OK. Then using the mirror function, this one, these 3 lines, mirror line, select apply. Oh, I did it correct, but perhaps we just trim the line that we don't want. Just leave it on the white area. Zoom in again. We need to draw the circle. Select circle. Radius is 24. And the origin is not on this line. It's slightly below. And the radius is 4 times 2. And then using the dimension, we need to define position of the radius is around 4 mm. Then using the function trim, just remove the line that we don't want. Click finish sketch. Then using the function extrude, select the direction, this one, and select the area that you want for the material to be removed and select OK. So in some cases, your software can automatically identify which area or which drawing need to be extruded. But if there is too many sketch or more than one sketch in terms of a single exercise, then you need to manually highlight the area that need to be extruded or need to be cut. So using the function fillet, our next step, with 2 mm, select this area and select this area and turn around the object using this cube. Select this one and also select this part and select OK. I think we almost at the end of our exercise. Still left these 2 circles here and also this rectangle at the bottom. 1, 2, and there is another small rectangle at the bottom over here. Whereas the differences is only 2 mm from the bottom. So this one, I leave it to the student to think how to do or to apply all of the skill and knowledge that I have shared with you. I hope you can try this and learn something for yourself. It should not be too difficult. I hope you can try to do, and all the best. Thank you very much.